What's happening, people, and welcome to my tech world. So on today's video we are going to unbox this microphone. So we are always going to have the tag on Wednesday. Make sure that you stay tuned on Wednesday so that you can see our tags that we are using and also the reviews. If you want us to review your tag, please make sure that you text us on Instagram so that we can give you the address to send a tag, and also we are going to review the tag. So on today's video we have the one and only Jepson microphone, which is the UD900FX. It is a USB condenser microphone. It is perfect for streaming, podcasting, and recording vocals. So as you can see, that's what they've written right over here. So before we can open this microphone or a mic, we can check the features. So firstly, let's check the features. It has 4 features. It is written over here. So it says it is compatible with PC, laptop, smartphones, and tablets, meaning that you can use it on your PC, you can use it on your laptop, and also you can use it on your smartphone, each and every phone, whether it's an iOS or whatever, and then you can use it on your tablet. And also it says it is adjustable tripod to help you find the ideal height and angle for recording. So it has a tripod that you can adjust it to your own preference on how you want your mic to be standing up. And also it has a cable length of 1.6 meters and also pop-up filter for clear recording. So after we have just read these features, let's just check whether they are talking the truth or what about this microphone. We need to unbox it. Before we unbox it, like, I just want to say I like the packaging. The packaging is too comfortable to hold, and also it is very containable to at least hold the microphone so that it might not be damaged or something. So I really like the packaging. And then let's open up, and then the packaging is so easy to open up. So let's open up the packaging and see. This is what we see when we open up this. We see the book. Maybe this book is whereby they show you the functionality of this microphone. Yeah, instructions manual. Yeah, this is the book whereby they show you the mic mental mesh. Okay, before we can go to this book, we need to open up this, and also we were going to read this if ever maybe what they've written here it's exactly on this mic. So this is what we have. It's a pop-up filter that they spoke about on the previous of this. Yes, and also here's the 1.6 meter cable that they spoken about. As you can see, let's fold it out. Here it is a 1.6 meter cable. As you can see, the 1.6 meter cable. Let's put it right over here. And also they said there is a tripod. Here it is. There is a tripod. This is the tripod that is spoken about. As you guys can see here, you can adjust it for the way you like it. And also is the mic, and also this is the cable whereby, as you can see here, this cable uses a PC or a USB, if I may say. So if you want to use a C type on a smartphone, you need to insert this cable right over here, and then you're going to connect this C type on your phone. For those who are using a C type or any cable, there's a cable for iPhone. You need to go to the nearest store, maybe Cash Crusaders, to buy this one that has a cable for iOS. This one is for C type for Samsung and all those stuff. So, and also here is our mic. Here is our mic. To be honest, I like it. Has a weight and it looks so beautiful. We are going to test it. So as you can see here, like, this thing has been designed by, it is a mental mesh. This thing is a mental mesh. I like it. And also we have a reverb. Reverb is what they used to cover this mic right over here. It's a reverb right over here, as you can see here. I don't know, let me see. I'm just unfolding this. I want to see something. Oh, as you guys can see, you can, oh, it's going to take out all the things on this mic, so it's going to disconnect. Maybe you wanna fix the mic, maybe there's something that happens, you're going to unlock this thing so that you can take out all the mic and check where there's a problem. So we need to put it back. So we need to close it up. Yes, we're done locking it up. So as you guys can see right over here, it's a volume. So it's a mic volume, whether you increase the volume or you take it down. And also right over here, it's an echo. So we're going to test this when we insert our own microphone to our phone right over there, because I'm shooting on my own phone. I don't have a camera. If anyone wanna send a camera, please make sure that you hit us on the Instagram so that we can review the camera. You can send it to us. So right over here, as you guys can see, it's a 3.5 millimeter audio socket. So meaning here is whereby you're going to insert your headphones so that you can listen to yourself when you set up your volume and also your echo. So right over here, it's a mute. So when you click it, it goes off. When you click it, it goes off. So whenever you're having conversation with someone and you wanna talk to your maybe your friends near to you and you don't want someone else on the other side to hear you, you're just going to press it for a mute and then have a conversation with that person. So the other person on that side is not going to be able to hear it. So now we have to connect our microphone to our tripod to see how is it going to stand. So what we are going to do, we're going to insert it right over here and then screw it. As you guys can see, we are done. So this is how it is going to stand. So if, as you guys can see, where there's, so we just have to unlock it right over here so that it can stand the way you want it to stand. Maybe you are standing up, you can also, maybe, or you are too short, depending on where your mouth is. So you need to be able to, and then close it right over here, and this is how it's going to be. But remember, we need to take this, and also for you to have a proper voice to speak. So guys, as you guys can hear, this is the audio without our microphone. So before we can connect our microphone to our phone, we need to connect this part. This part comes right over here. It is connected. So as you guys can see now, you can hear the audio is not proper without the microphone. So the next, after I clap my fingers like this, then we are going to connect our audio. Let's go. Yes, now we have our audio on. So as you guys can see, when the audio is on, when you connected your microphone to your phone or a PC or a tablet, this light right over here is going to be blue. It shows that it is on. When you press it, as you guys can see that I'm speaking, but you can't hear me at all. And the light is red is because the audio is on mute, is off, and now it's back. So as you guys can see, here is the volume Now I'm taking down the volume. I'm sure you guys can hear me clearly. Now I'm taking it back. This is the volume. Now we're going to play with the echo. I want you to listen. The sound of the echo is going to change to the echo when I turn this. You can hear is an echo. So this microphone has an echo, you can hear. And now we're going to put it on a normal way where there's no echo. Now there's no echo. So whenever you record, you don't use an echo unless you want to play with the effects. So this is how it's going to be. So please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also comment down below which tag do you want us to review, and also to show you how does it function. Please make sure that you hit the bell notification in order to be notified next time we drop. Peace out.